Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. I thank you so much for joining me today. For today, I am just gonna show you how I put this beautiful centerpiece that I bought for my dining room table. I am decorating. I just moved and I'm decorating around the house. So I'm just gonna be sharing a little of my home decor things with you on my channel. This centerpiece is very beautiful. I would definitely leave a link to it in the description. I got it from Amazon. And for my color scheme, I'm going with like gold and beige. And I'm gonna insert a picture to show you how my chairs look or how everything matches up with my chairs. So this is just a rough draft because I'm gonna eventually switch out the napkin rings. I'm gonna eventually switch out the charger plate. But I just did a quick setup for now. But this centerpiece is perfect for an event. I've seen people use them for events. And then you also want to try to get centerpieces that are like standalones. Like this Candelabra, hopefully I'm pronouncing it correctly, is a centerpiece that you just gotta add some candles to. You don't need florals or anything like that. So lately I've been just trying to get standalone centerpieces, and I'll try to insert some pictures to let you know what I'm talking about. All right, so coming up next, I already recorded this just to let you see how I put it together. All right, see you in a little bit. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. I thank you so much for joining me. Until I see you next time. Bye.